Hello friends, welcome to my channel Try Studio. In this video, I am going to unbox and review MarQ 43-inch 4K Android Smart TV. At first, let's take a look from all the sides of the box. It has Chromecast built-in, 4K IPS VA panel, Bluetooth 5.0, Cortex CA55 processor with Mali 470 GPU, and Dolby Audio. It comes with two 10-watt bottom-firing speakers, four HDMI 2.0, and three USB ports. Date of manufacture September 2020. Power consumption 78 watt, and it can operate between 100 to 240 volts. And standby power consumption is only 0.05 watt, which is not written over here, but in the manual book it is written. And the net weight of the television is 7.3 kilograms, and inside the box we'll get the television, a wall mounted stand, a table stand, a remote, and two AAA batteries. So friends, now I am going to take out the TV from the box, and this was an open box delivery, which means the delivery agent opened the box in front of me to ensure that the TV is in prime condition. At first, we have the table mounting stand. It's made of metal. It is so thin and it will add to the overall aesthetics of this TV. This ribbon stand is a welcome change from all other budget TVs which offer dual leg stands. I have purchased this MarQ TV from Flipkart Big Billion Days sale, and it cost me 18,000 rupees including the bank offers. And actually I have purchased this TV to use as a monitor with my desktop computer because 4K monitors are too expensive as they have high refresh rate, but this TV has only 60 Hz refresh rate and my graphics card is not that powerful to run 4K games at more than 60 FPS. Here is our quick start guide. Okay, and let's see what else we have got. And this is our remote. It has Netflix and YouTube dedicated button, a bag of silica gel, a AV cable, two AAA batteries, some screws, and this is the wall mount. The box seems too small for a 43-inch television. So let's open it and check the contents. How is this supposed to hold this huge television in the wall? I don't understand. There are only two small brackets and two large screws. So I don't understand it. Let the installation guy come and I will confirm with him. Let's unwrap the TV, and here you can see the bezels are really thin. I liked the design, and at this price point I can't think of any better option. And here is a sticker that claims that this panel supports HDR10. Okay, that's great. At the back, we have the power cable. The cable is long enough to connect with the power outlet. These are the holes for the wall mounting bracket. And at this side, we have 3.5 mm audio output jack, HDMI, and USB port. At the back side, we have RJ45 Ethernet port, optical output port for audio, two USB ports, three HDMI port, and a AV input port. This is for your DVD or VCD players, and a analog antenna port for TV signal reception. But the way they are arranged, it will be difficult to access them. Now I am going to connect the table stand with the TV because it looks so stylish. So I am going to try it. At the bottom, we have the remote control receiver panel and a multifunction button. With this button, you can turn on and off the TV. Also, you can change channels and control volume. And these are the bottom firing speakers. The stand will fit like this, and you will find the screws with the wall mounting box. Here is a pre-applied skin protector on top of the skin. Although the manual says to pull it off before using the TV, but I think it's a good idea to keep it. It has a 2-pin socket, and now I am going to turn it on for the first time. To turn on the TV, we have to press the power button here. As the TV runs on Android, it will take some time for initial setup. So let me set up the TV and then I will come back. The remote has a dedicated Google Assistant button and it supports Bluetooth voice control. Here you can see it has Netflix, Amazon Prime, Google Music, Google Movies and YouTube pre-installed. Let me open YouTube, and right now I am connected to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. I will test Wi-Fi speed later because it does not come with a pre-installed browser. At first, let's check the picture quality. I think the picture quality is decent enough. Let's check the resolution. Yes, it is running at 4K, so not bad. Actually, I am quite happy with the picture quality it provides. Considering the price, I think the quality it offers is really good. I am filming at an angle and there is no distortion in the picture quality. The color reproduction is also good. The color are vivid and its brightness is about 300 nits. So far I am impressed with the picture quality it provides. Now let me mount it on the wall and connect it with my PC, and after that I will share my experience with it as a monitor. So friends, here you can see I have mounted the TV with the wall, and I had to purchase wall mounting bracket separately from the installation guy because he told me that the small brackets that were provided with this TV are not safe, and I was convinced. I have connected it with my laptop. Also, I have connected another HDMI with my desktop. It has 4 HDMIs, so you can connect it simultaneously to 4 devices. One thing that is the color reproduction is not as accurate as my laptop screen. So that is a point of concern if you are interested in using this big TV panel for image editing and video editing, which I personally wanted to do, but as the color reproduction is not accurate, this 4K panel TV is not recommended for any kind of photo or video editing. So this is my extended display, and another thing that this TV panel won't support 4K out of the box. You have to manually make custom settings within NVIDIA control panel to make this TV support 4K. Also you have to enable HDMI 2.0. So from your remote you have to press menu button, then you have to go to settings, and then you have to go to device preferences, then inputs, then go down, and HDMI edit version by default it would be selected as 1.4, and you have to select edit 2.0 to support your TV 4K inputs. So that's another thing. And the sound quality is okay, but you can get a decent quality sound if you select sound style to music. Also there is equalizer option. You can adjust the equalizer to get a decent quality sound. At this price point I won't really complain about the sound quality. The sound quality it provides is okay. At full sound the sound distorts a bit, but I think that's okay. I would recommend you to connect the TV with a home theater system so that you can enjoy a good sound output. And it has some picture modes, a vivid, sport, movie, game and energy saving mode. This energy saving mode is recommended when you are using this TV as a monitor. It will reduce eye strain. If I press this home button, the TV will open its built-in Android system, and here you can see my pre-installed apps and YouTube songs preview. And here I am going to show you some settings, because from here you have to enable the PC mode and gaming mode. Under advanced video you will find game mode and PC mode. So if you are intended to use this TV as a monitor, in that case you should toggle this PC mode on. And now let me test the internet speed. And another thing, Google won't let you install any app outside the App Store. I tried to download apps from different website by installing Puffin browser, but you won't be able to download any application outside of Google Play. I also tried to install application from pen drive and it was a failure. So that's the point of concern. Now let's test internet speed. Right now I am connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. My router has 5 gigahertz, but my room is situated beyond 5 gigahertz range. So I am connected to 2.4 gigahertz, but the 2.4 gigahertz can provide enough speed to handle 4K videos. So let's test the internet speed. And here you can see the maximum download speed is 38.63 and upload speed is upload speed is great. And if you are interested in Okla speed test, then I have installed the Puffin browser, and from here I can search for Okla, and here you would be able to see that it supports voice searching. Okla speed test. Here you can see it has detected my voice, and within Puffin browser we will get a mouse cursor like this. By the way, don't trust Okla speed test because you will be amazed by seeing the results. And here you go. Aren't you amazed? My line speed is 100 Mbps and it is showing that the current speed is 570 Mbps. So that's how Okla shows your speed. So don't trust Okla. I don't know how Okla is showing something like this, but this is how Okla tests the speed, and this is how Airtel is the fastest network. Now another thing that I want to show you is that there is something wrong with this panel. As I have told you earlier, that to support 4K inputs I have to make some tweaks inside the graphics card settings, and then I had to manually set HDMI edit. And here if I open the system info app, at first let me show you that it has 1.5 gigabyte of RAM and internal usable storage of 4 GBs, although in the website it says that it has 8 gigabyte of internal memory, but I don't know where the other 4 GBs. But yeah, it has total 4 gigabyte of internal memory, and out of which 3 gigabyte is usable. Here you can see internal storage free space almost 3 gigabytes. And Bluetooth version was written as Bluetooth 5.0, but here it is showing that Bluetooth version is 4 plus. Okay, 4 plus, you can say 5. Here you can see the CPU has 4 cores. It is Cortex A55 and it runs maximum 1400 megahertz, and this Cortex A55 is better than its competitor because other budget segment TVs are providing Cortex A53, which has less power than A55. So that's a plus with this TV. And if I go to the display, here you can see screen resolution 1920 into 1080. It does not show 4K resolution, and all the apps inside this Android system except YouTube are running at 1080p. I don't know why, but this is the case with this TV. So something is wrong with this panel. So this is it for this unboxing video. Let me use the TV for a week or two, and after that I will make a dedicated review of this TV. And on that video I hope I would be able to clear all the doubts and confusion regarding this TV. So till then, have a great day. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.